In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add radial blur effect on your video in Filmora. So you can see this video is just clear, but I'm going to go ahead and add an effect that makes it look blurred. And this is a special effect called radial blur. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. To do this is quite simple. Just add your clip on your timeline and then find the clip that you want to add the effect. For my case, I want to add on the whole of this video clip. And for that, I'll go ahead and click on effects here. And here you can see we have quite a number of effects available. Then scroll down until you see radial blur and go ahead and download it if you are ready to download it. Once it is downloaded, now you can just drag and drop it here. Now, if I go ahead and play the video, you can see the eagle is clear. But if I go ahead and drag and add this effect on this timeline, you can see now the radial effect on the eagle. So that's how you can add radial blur effect on your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.